Regina Daniel and Sowore don finally end up for UK Embassy. Hey, my beautiful and amazing people, we all thought this whole thing was a joke. But guys, no be joke at all oh. No be joke and no be moi moi. Like Ned Nwoko thought that Regina Daniel is incapacitated, say she no get anywhere to run go, say if im frustrate her, she go, she go return. But im no know talk say na anyhow wey im want am na im go get am. And the more wey im dey drag dis thing, the more im dey implicate imself the more. Now the interest was that why they find themselves for UK, they want scatter the whole thing for abroad there where Ned Nwoko go in school of law. Una know say he still be practicing lawyer for law for UK. Na there na im go the school of law, na there im still dey practice. So at least if dem chook mouth for inside this matter, they carry this case, they go handle am even more better than how Nigeria take dey handle am, than how the House of Rep take dey handle am, because this allegation wey Regina Daniel dey allege against Ned Nwoko, e reach to put am for kirikiri. But because we dey Nigeria where no matter your evidence, no matter wetin you owe against somebody, in as much as say the person get money, e get influence, e get connection, e come be senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, say e go hard. But for abroad, nothing concern anybody, whether you be president, whether you be governor, whether you be senate, whether you be who, in as much as say you are guilty as charged, they will definitely bring you down. So in order to really get this thing right and get it done with, if Ned Nwoko say im get power for here, if UK finally approve am, he no go get power for there at all oh. Now, according to the information wey come dey reach us now, say as at early hour of yesterday, Sowore come call Regina Daniel say they get appointment. They be don book appointment before, say they go see, which is 5 days ago, wey be on Monday, say they go the embassy. So all of a sudden, una know say Sowore na activist. One thing leads to the other, come carry am comot. Im come all of a sudden he traveled, sharp travel. So he was not able to meet up with Regina Daniel. So as they were not able to meet up, im come book another day wey they go see, wey they go talk. So na that day now wey they don book say they go see, they go talk, na im come call Regina Daniel, say how far, is she ready? And Regina say make dem give her small time, make she ready, say she go get back to am. After she ready, she come call am. Una know na women drama. Before she go make up, do this, do that, find this, find that, na im Regina Daniel come call am say she don finally ready. Na im send drivers, dem come, dem come carry Regina Daniel. Dem fly from here to embassy. When they got to the embassy, something happened. Even when Regina Daniel was trying to hold her tears, she don't know when tears fall down her eyes. Say imagine say matter wey no reach anywhere, na she dey come embassy to come dey complain about. Say if only this man leave her alone when she say she's no longer interested, therefore no dey for this table where dem dey so. Now, funny enough, for that embassy, they get psychologists. They get so many people where they work there, where they work on people's intelligence to know. Just dey like police. You know, say if police catch you for checking point, your attitude, your reaction, your facial expression, na im go really determine whether you are guilty of anything at all or not. And a real policeman wey know wetin, wey know their work, they dey almost, most at times, they dey work on people's intelligence, working on people's reaction and attitude towards them. If you start dey frigid for where policeman dey, they go start dey suspect you say maybe something is not right with you. And na wetin go make them hold you, start dey interrogate you, dey investigate you up and down. But when you coordinate yourself, even if you hold something, you might end up going scot-free because of your composure for where dem dey. Now, according to the information, say when Regina came in, already they don't know Sowore, and no be today wey Sowore don write to the embassy. Since when this drama start, wey Sowore carry am for head, na im don write to the embassy. So, but they were not able to call them all those while because they go need to go through the letter, go through everything before they go call the person that is at stake, the person that is laying the complaint. So, as they can't call them, already they don't know Sowore because na im write am. So when they got there, Sowore was sitting down, Regina was sitting down. They now went and called the people that are the investigators, the psychologists, the whatever people will be saying, and they in charge of to watch human being to know whether you dey talk true or you dey talk lie, to compare and to contrast. All of them come, then sit down. They can't tell Regina Daniel say they want her ID card, make dem photocopy am first of all, and they want her passport, but na dem go snap her life for there, no be the one wey she carry come, so that they go put am on top of the complaint wey she come complain, because Nigeria thing dey different from UK something. So they go need proper documentation to cover all the things wey she come talk. Na im dem come still bring, e just be like say na court of law, na only God na im know. They say make Regina swear for this with this Bible, say everything wey she go provide here will be the truth and nothing but the truth, because for UK they go want the truth from you, because na that your truth na im go set you free. By the time wey you start dey lie, they go start dey wan compare, wan start the investigation. Before you know, they go drop am say truth no dey am. They just like try tell Regina the implication of she coming to report Ned Nwoko, being the fact say na senior advocate na im be. He is also a billionaire, a philanthropist, a senator, and all. So in order to win this case, she need to open up and say the truth and nothing but the truth. Make she swear am, she's con swear. They can't snap her finish the passport. They can't give her undertaking this thing. She undertakes say na she they talk so. Now anything which she provide here is the truth and nothing but the truth. After signing it and all, then they can't start to. They can't they ask her question one after the other. First of all, her name, she tell them. Her father's name, she tell them. Her local government, she tell them. Where they born her, she tell them. Now they can't ask her say, at what age will she marry Ned Nwoko? She tell them say she never reach 18 years. She's just 17 plus when she marry Ned Nwoko. They can't ask her, for how long have they started dating? She said they started dating even before she got to 17 years. She now told them the story of how they met, how her mom took her to the place. We all know the story as it be, how her mom took her to museum and they went there. She needed admission, this, that. He collected her number. He promised to call. He later called and all. And after that time, he called her again that they need to see. She was on location set when he called her. She later went there. They met. 3 days location. After the location, instead of her to go home, she will not go home. She will go and meet Ned Nwoko. That's how Ned Nwoko, now Nakademusa, allegedly, according to the Regina Daniel. Now she talk am. Now they say Ekon Nakademusa, they have been doing their Nakademus as usual. They do the do where husband and wife they do on a normal day. So as they did they do the do, now there they did they do am, now Bele enter. As Bele enter, now Ned Nwoko come tell her say, what does she really want now? Now she say, she no want anything, no, but she no go want to make her mother know of this Bele, because her mother no dey aware of the relationship. So she no go want anything wey go make her mother dey disappointed in her, because her mother no dey husband house and people look up to them. Make people no come call a mother bad name. Make people no come give a mama name. Say as a single mother you see am, because of say you and your husband no dey, at the end of the day those children don spoil for her hand. Say she no want that one. She want her to make her father, her mother proud for where the father dey. Make the father know to say he made a mistake to have left the mother to train them in the very first place. So she no want anything scandal. That's how she now explained to her friend Cassie Snow. You know, say Cassie Snow now from small na dem dey. dey come. So she come explain to Cassie Snow. Cassie Snow come say, what does she want? Say make dem comot am. Na how they take comot the very first one be that o. So as that time, as dem come comot am, na im Ned Nwoko come say say at least she's no longer a child, she don grow reach, make dem marry. Wey make dem start dey do rush rush say dem wan marry. Wey Regina come introduce the Ned Nwoko to her mother, to her family, say see person wey she wan finally marry o. Because according to the information now wey Regina dey give, she say because when as she was talking, say she went there, the man was spoiling her with money, he took her out during the days that she went for the location. If she's going back to location the next day, she used to go with so many things. He took her for shopping, he took her to buy her good things, plenty things. She was carried away. Now the man come ask her say, so is it that you guys are poor, or you are coming from a background where even to eat is now a problem? Because I see this as maybe as a hungry lady, you needed somebody that will cater for your excesses, that will cater for your responsibilities and all. She said no, that they are not 100% poor. They are from middle class. That they are not poor and they are not rich, but they are okay, that they can eat, they can do everything on their own. That the mother has been trying her best to make sure that she give them the best life, so that they are not poor. Na the man come say okay. So she come talk say na so na him come say him wan marry her. Na she say she come go tell her people say she wan marry o, say the man dey come. Funny enough, the day when Ned Nwoko go come introduce himself, the brother and everybody were not okay with Ned Nwoko. And when he left, they refused. They say lie, Regina no go marry him. Regina say lie, she must marry am. Wey she provoke as the brother dey provocate, which is Swizzy, as he dey provocate tey they start dey throw bottle. Regina left house. She left the house and went to a place to sleep that day. Na dem later dey beg her say make she return. Even Swizzy bin talk am when this whole incident start, when dem put Sammy for Kirikiri, say even when she brought Ned, that he never loved Ned even for once, but because na him sister, he no fit hold her, he no fit stop her, but to just accept am like that, say how him go do. Na how him take forge ahead continue be that o. He allow her to continue. So na him come, dem come ask her say okay, then after you married him, what did you now see that made you lose courage, that made you felt like you are no longer loved here, you are no longer secure? She say Ned used to treat her like a baby. He used to watch every of her step, making her look stupid before her very self. She cannot take her own decision. She cannot do things on her own. She cannot do so many things that even if they go out, Ned will be shouting at her, making her look like a baby in the presence of people. That even if she's a child, she's a baby. Of course, she's his wife. They should have a limit to so many things. Say no be that one even be her problem. No be that one be the bone of contention. The bone of contention is that Ned now introduced her to one kind thing that once upon a time, if Ned come Nakademus, anytime when he come like this, him go ask her what do she want before him go come, because according to her, say the ration days wey dey take do the do. So everybody get in date. If it be this week na Regina, the other week go be Leila, another week go be another person. So anytime we be say e don reach her turn like this, if he wan come, he go ask her what do she need, so that him go buy am while she dey come, while him dey come. So anytime wey him dey come like this, he go come buy so many things. Then him go come tell her say, Regina, he go come buy something come wey dey for inside sachet, wey be that medicine name wey she call say him dey give her, wey she dey hide, say the thing dey always dey hide dem. Him come also buy shisha pot wey dey take shisha for inside house there. He buy wine bar dey, different alcoholic wine there and all. So anytime when him come like that, he go give her the thing make she drink. If she don drink am, she dey observe say she dey get as she dey take dey wild. She go come dey do some certain things wey be say on a normal day she no dey do. Now she come dey used to that thing. Anytime wey she no take am, she no dey alright. And anytime wey she no take am, she go dey see am like Ned Nwoko is smelling for her side, or e get as e be. she is no longer comfortable. But if she take that thing, she dey even forget herself. She no go know where she dey until they finish do the do. She go come now sleep, forget herself, forget her sorrow, forget everything. So not even that one na im be her problem. So she now got used to it to the extent where as she come say she no go dey drink the thing again, network go come dey tell her say no, make she take am now. It's good for her now. Im dey like the style wey she dey give am. E dey like the way she dey carry body. E dey like the way she dey coordinate. She dey give am as e dey hot. Na im be that fantasy wey the mother say as dem find out say Regina dey take those things, that medicine because of Ned say im like am like that. So if to say na your daughter, na your advice to your daughter be that, you go agree make your daughter dey take those things all because of say e dey help your fantasy, e dey help you nakademus well, knowing fully well that the thing don dey affect her, e don dey make her look wild, wey be say e don dey reach another level. You go still say make dem go ahead, make she continue to dey take am, say you like am. Na when the thing don come dey enter another level, you come change am entirely. If Regina, when Regina come dey see am like she, according to when they come ask her say what now happen, what now change, why did you now started having double mind where this man is? He say na when he decided say im no go dey give her everything wey she want again. Anytime wey im come and she no dey gree collect that thing for im hand, im go dey beat her. If she no gree collect that medicine for im hand, she no gree high, she no gree drink, she no gree take anything, im go come dey beat her, dey knack her head for wall, dey do this, dey do that. Na im she made up her mind say even she is done with this marriage. She is tired. Why is he treating her like a baby, like a child? Na im dey ask her again, so he used to beat you? Say severally. Say her brother can even bear her witness that there was one that they beat her, he beat her so tey the brother even come tell her say, you know say if to say na abroad you dey, you no go do this kind thing. Say she even get the evidence where Ned go talk am. She go even drop am for part of her evidence wey she get, make dem carry am join for the this thing to UK, make dem send am. Say where Ned go come talk say if e be my wife you misbehave, I will beat you. Say na so e come dey beat her. Say na that one na im come make her say no, this one don dey pass, be careful. Before im go come kpai her one day, e better make she comot for inside the marriage. No be do or kpai affair. So as such, na im Ned come dey choose am say this matter of druggy matter, say no be today na im don dey use am dey threa ten her. Say anytime wey she comot, say if she no be careful with him, say im go expose her. He go tell the world say she dey into druggy. She was thinking maybe im just dey talk, maybe im no want make she comot. That's why im dey talk am. But last, he later still do am when she make up her mind say she no go do again. He later still come out, come tell the world say she be druggy, she dey take druggy, this one, that one. Whereas na im introduce her to that thing, that drug, that thing wey dey make her dey wild, dey make her do some funny things for the other room. So na im introduce her. Say she has never in her life took anything like that before. Na when she know am, when im want dey bring out another version of herself out, na im introduce her to that thing. Na dem come ask her say, okay now, what do you really want the embassy to do for you? What do you want? Which justice are you really seeking for? She says she wants her children back. She wants her children in her life, that she's not comfortable her children being under Ned Nwoko. Say other women will leave their children go. Say she dey see how they, if no be she, wey dey treat them right, they buy them phone during her children, her son, how many years birthday wey she do of recent, wey she buy all of them phone, took them out. Say she dey see how they take treat them for that house, other people children, the way they treat them for that house, even she no like am. And she know to say if she no dey for the life of her children, say they go treat them bad. So that is why im won't collect those children for her hand. That's why im dey tag her as person wey dey into druggy, so that because im know say that one now go make they no go wan allow her collect children for her hand. So abeg say make dem test her. If she dey into druggy, or if they find any drugs in her, fine and good. But if they no find drugs in her, make dem help her tell, make the embassy, make UK help her, make she collect her children back for her hand. And for sleeping with her, for nakademus with her, for as a minor, say she also wants the penalty to be for him. say im need to pay for everything wey im don do to her. Na im dey say okay. So according to the psychologist wey sit down for there, e say after lis ten ing to Regina Daniel and going through all the messages wey she been chat, wey she talk and all, say im check am say no one wey miss from wetin, you know say person wey dey lie, if e talk now, later if you come back come ask am say wetin the person talk, e go talk another thing. But this one, she was so consis ten t, she was so straightforward, she know what she's saying and she's standing on what she's saying. So na im the man come say im no go 100% talk say Regina dey talk truth, but with what she has said, it has tallied with all the things she has been saying before and what she brought here before. So as such, they will definitely look into it and give her the justice that she deserves, and that they pray that they come to her aid on time. No be when the thing breeze don blow am comot, but they will definitely forward it, and definitely because of Sowore, they will look into the matter as suppose. Say make she no worry, she will definitely get her children back. And that with wetin they dey see for Regina now, she is looking so okay, very eloquent. So person wey dey into druggy, at least during all this time wey the person take dey talk now, they for don observe one or two, but they no observe anything. And for her to open mouth to say make dem even test her, if there is anything they find in her, they let them hold her for it. But if they no find anything in her, make dem hold her husband, make him pay dearly for doing the do with her at an early age, meaning she never even reach anywhere when Ned Nwoko started in Akademusa, which is as a minor, there is a penalty for it, and she wants him to go down for that. No be small thing. All thanks to Sowore, and I pray that Regina, as they carry her, they go from one place to the other, so God will definitely lead her to a place where she will get the justice which she deserves. Say, na so Ned Nwoko dey do, according to the Regina. Say na so im dey do. Im go wan make e weaken you, make e tie you down by all means, make e render you useless, so that e go get im way. But last, God no go allow am. God no go ever allow am to come to pass. And may God give her this justice that she deserves. My people, na the update be this. Say UK Embassy don dey look into this matter wey dey ground. God bless Sowore. God bless people who are genuinely seeking justice for Regina Daniel. And God bless each and every one of us wey dey pray say may God intervene in this thing. Say Ned Nwoko don too do. I didn't mean that Regina be the first person wey Ned Nwoko dey do. People go say na Regina. But this one im don dey do am no be today, with others, with other women. So maybe this one na go be the last, because for people wey dey shout Regina na this kind life she wan live, to dey go club up and down, she's not even talking about her children. Imagine a woman, dey ask her, the first thing she talk, she say make dem test her if there is anything. If there is none, abeg, she wants her children. Which small pikin go get big person brain like this? Even to see, you go know say Regina small, but her sense no small. At all, her sense no small. Wey make me, I say my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. I was thinking she want to claim property or something. Say, make Ned Nwoko pay, make him pay, give her money, give her property, give her this. No, but no, she say she wants her children back in her life, because she no like the way other women children dey for Ned Nwoko house. So she won't collect her own children. Make she train am by herself. She's capable, she can do it. So make them help her, make she fit collect her children. I said this one, it touched me. Abi guys, what are your advice to Regina at this point? Do you think she should just leave them? If they grow, they go no see the mother try, or make she still dey fight? If the UK embassy finally approve and come to her aid on this, make she collect them as suppose, make she give them the best life, the life which she wants, make them live. What are your advice? Drop them for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble get gifted gist, and they bring good and later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.